Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I'm back with another video for you guys. Today I'm coming to you guys with my first video of the new year. Happy New Year, guys. It is 2019 and it's crazy because it's like I just remember when it was just 2000 and like 2009. It's freaking 2019. So I'm so happy. I'm blessed that I'm here with you guys still to see this new year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had to come back and slay all day with another dollar makeup tutorial. I feel like people sleep on dollar makeup, and I'm telling you, sis, if somebody come up to you and be like, you can slay for $1, tell them they are dumb lie. Show them my video, because look, I'm here to tell you guys and teach you guys how to slay as well. So that's what I'm doing here today. The only thing that's not a part of the dollar, well, the LA Color makeup, was the eyelashes and also the contour I used, because sis, I don't even know if I used cream contour in my last one, so I don't have any. I'm not even sure if LA Color makes cream contour, but I'll have to look into that. I didn't prior to this video, but yeah, I'm doing too much. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want more. I do have more looks coming up that's going to be very, very affordable, because I know everybody doesn't have money to get high-end makeup all the time, and then it's just like, hey, how can we slay? No, sis, you still can slay. So yeah, all the information to the products will be listed down in the description section below. I do have all my social media handles left down there as well. Without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoy and have a prosperous, successful new year. Happy 2019, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Alright guys, so we're starting out with the eyeliner and brow pencil from LA Colors. This is in the shade Black Brown. So I'm using this to fill out my eyebrows. Y'all don't come for my eyebrows. You know, I already know. I looked at them every day and I know they're a mess. So don't come for me. And my eyebrows stay hella close to my edges simply because I pull my wigs down past my edges because I'm trying to grow them out, even though they grow back, but I don't want to snatch them back off. So that's why my eyebrows be hella close. It's like my edges are very close to my eyebrows in general, but like if I scoot the wig up, this is where it sits, so it's not touching my edges. So don't come for me. My eyebrow game is not on fleek. It's at a 30% if I would rate it. I'm gonna be working on that 2K19 this year, so be on the lookout for that. I'm working. This makeup stuff is not something that you can perfect in a day or in a week or in a month. It's something that takes time and skill to master, and my eyebrows is the least that I focused on. That's why I feel like it's not my best area when it comes to my makeup. But yeah, so anyway, I used the concealer in the shade Deep to underline and give my brow a more cleaner look. I feel like the consistency resembles LA Girl, but it's not as thick. It's like a thinner consistency. So this concealer you would have to put a lot to have it buildable. So bam, we got both eyebrows done. We're gonna go ahead and prime our face. I'm using the LA Colors face primer. Y'all, this stuff is the bomb. Like, I swear by this. Like, I always pick it up for my go-to because it sits on your face and it locks your makeup in, and it also blurs and minimizes your pores. So it reminds me of the Maybelline primer. If you guys don't know their primer, it looks the same. The packaging, you know, it looks like they mimicked them, so I can see why the product resembles. So now I am going in with the color corrector. I want to get rid of these circles, you know, these dark circles, this discoloration around my chin area, around my mouth area, and under my eyes and over my eyes. I have a lot of discoloration, so you don't want to see that on your everyday beat, girl. You gotta be concealed and fleeked the F up. So we're gonna go ahead and blend all that out with our big old booty blender. It is doing its job. It's bouncing and pouncing and making sure everything is blending. So we're going in with the Truly Matte Foundation by LA Colors. I'm in the shade Cappuccino, and let me tell you guys, I love this foundation. I really thought the foundation was gonna be trash when I used it in my graduation makeup, but sis, the tea is, the gag is that this is bomb. I only put pretty much one layer to, you know, even out my skin tone, and y'all, it's definitely full coverage. The consistency is not thick, but it's not thin either, so it's in between. let me see. It's definitely, like I said, really matte, so you only need one layer. You can build it up, so if you want more full coverage. Be aware it is winter time, so if you have more of a dry skin tone during the winter, matte may not be good for you. But I feel like with cheaper products, if you're gonna be wearing them longer, I would say build it up, because you're gonna need that full coverage, long-lasting effect. So I really love this foundation. As you can see, it concealed everything and made my skin even, and y'all, this is the bomb. Now I think that foundation was about $6. Don't get me lying, but it's different prices depending on where you live, but I paid, I believe, $5 or $6 for the foundation. So I'm going back in with that same concealer, and we're gonna go ahead and give our face some life because she looking a little dead. You know, it's the new year, you tired, you've been up all night, even though I haven't. But you know, we just gotta bring her back to life. So I think I already talked about consistency of this concealer as well. Like I said, I feel like you would need a lot to have a full coverage because it is on the kind of lightweight side. So if you want a full concealed look, I will go ahead and, you know, put a lot on, girl. Don't be afraid to blend her out. So yeah, we're gonna watch that big old booty blender blend everything out until we come into the next clip. Alright, now we're going in with the black opal. This is in color Suede Mocha. I don't remember buying any cream contour, and I was too lazy to go back out to try to find something because I just wanted to go ahead and get this done. So I used this from Black Opal. I believe I didn't pay any more than $10 for this. It probably had to be around $6 or $7 as well. But I wanted a cream contour definitely to snatch my face just a little bit. I know I used powder contour. I have a lot of that from LA Color, but I don't remember having any cream contour from them. And then it's like their darkest shade of foundation is too light, so yeah. So we're going in with the LA Color powder, setting powder. This is medium translucent, and let me tell you, I swear by this powder. Now, I don't know if I bought this after, but when I looked at my makeup drawer and seen I had setting powder, I was like, what is this? What? I thought that this powder was going to tear up my look, y'all. When I said I really thought this was gonna mess everything up, I said this is about to be gritty, this is about to be like stained, because you know some of the cheaper powders stain on your face to the point where it doesn't wipe away and blend in, but I didn't have that problem with this. I would compare this to, it would be a mix between Laura Mercier and it's another brand I can't think of, but I would compare it to a lower version of that because it's really good, y'all, really, and it conceals and covers everything. So now I'm going back in with this pressed powder Toffee just to quiet down the setting powder, because like this is not a like bomb glam look, it's like a natural glam, everyday flawless makeup tutorial look. So yeah, so I just use that to blend out everything. I'm taking my contouring palette and going ahead and bronze. I love to bronze because it just warms up your face, and we need to look like something. We don't need to look like pale or just like you're not blending. So I always love to go in with bronze first, and then I want to contour to give my cheeks like a more chiseled look. So I didn't really need to put that on my forehead because the way I got my wig pulled down, sis, and it's look like I have a small forehead. Anyway, but my forehead goes beyond. Ego was clean up there, so yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up that line and blend that away. I feel like I did notice with the powder though, if you leave it sitting for a little bit too long, it doesn't blend, like the color payoff is a little harsher. So I would say make sure your beauty blender is wet when you're using the setting powder so it can blend in seamlessly, and don't leave it sitting. You can't, this is a setting powder you can't bake with. There it go. You can't bake with it, sis. So yeah, I'm just going in with that other contouring palette, and like I said, it's chiseling my cheeks just a little bit. And then we're going in with the Perfect Curve mascara, and we're going to go ahead and pop some mascara on because we're about to prep our eyes for some lashes. Now, I couldn't find any lashes. I could, but it was only one pair left. In my graduation video, I had to stack 3 pairs of the LA Color lashes together to get that look, and they only had one, so I'm like, bitch. So now I'm going in with the eyeliner pencil. This is just in the shade Black. I'm going to go ahead and line our bottom waterline. Is that what it's called? I don't know. But we're gonna line that because I just like my eyes to give like a more small effect. Like I like my eyes to look a little bit smaller. They're not that big, but you know, I just like the cheeky slanted eye look. I don't know what I'm talking about, but that's what we're getting here. So now we're going in, we're gonna put a little bit of blush on. You don't need a lot, you know. So we're gonna pick this in color. We're just gonna plop it right on there. We're gonna plop it on the other side, and then I'm gonna take my bronzer brush and blend it back out because I'm like, see what you doing? That's a little bit too much, and we just get a little crazy. So I just went back into with my bronzer brush and cleaned it up. Now I'm going in with highlighter, and it was from their same palette. Y'all be sleeping on LA Colors and they glow palette. Look, sis, I am going to the motherfucking gods. Like, I'm so in love with this. Like, when I found it, because sometimes I keep my makeup separate based on the brand, and I forgot I had that. I said, why have I not been using this? Like, I was really feeling myself once I put that highlighter on. Now I'm going in with the chocolate lip liner, well, the LA Girl lip liner, and this is in the color chocolate, and I'm just gonna outline my lips. I think I was going for like I don't even know what color. Y'all know most of my lip colors just be nude. I try to branch out every now and then, but this is like nude goes with everything, and I know I didn't want to bold lip because it's not every day you gotta bold lip. So this is the color Suede in the LA Curl matte lipstick line, and then I'm going to go on top of it with another color just to, you know, give her a more natural but still fleeky combo. And this is in the color Sultry, and these two mixed together it's life. It's freaking life. So now I'm just going in with their Dollar Gloss, and that's it. I'm gonna spray my face one more time. Not sure if I showed that, but I spray my face again, and this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.